Hello world, welcome and welcome back. This is Rains and you're watching Perfume Girl Renu. I'm actually excited today because I am going to review my all-time favorite perfume from my collection. So let's not waste time and get started. So this is what I am talking about. Armaf Club de Nuit Sillage. The bottles are the same, the only thing is this has a metallic look. Talking about the fragrance of this perfume, the opening is a fresh opening because of bergamot mixed with the sweetness of lime and lemon. Now lime and lemon, the sweetness gives it a very special opening. It is a very amazing opening mixed with a slight note of blackcurrant and ginger. So the opening itself is amazing because of the freshness and the sweetness of lime and lemon mixed with slight notes of ginger and blackcurrant. When it comes to its middle notes, when it comes close to the skin, it settles on the skin, it becomes floral. A nice freshness mixed with florals, and then in the base notes, finally in the base notes, it becomes woody. Now woody, not like a very harsh or a very loud woody, a very subtle, a very sober and a nice clean woody fragrance. So freshness mixed with florals and sweetness of lime mixed with florals and then woodiness. Overall, the perfume is a very clean, sophisticated and an excellent summer fragrance. Now I will give an honest review about this, honest review in the sense, an honest feedback what I received. Whenever I've applied this perfume, I have received compliments. Not like from everyone, but at least one person will actually has come and told me like, which perfume are you wearing? It is a very nice fragrance. We want to know, I want to know what is the name of the perfume. So it is like that. It is a compliment getter as well, like a very nice perfume, a very likable perfume. So talking about the performance of this perfume, the performance is mind-blowing. I have noticed like this remains on the clothes even after washing. So this is so good. And on your skin, it remains for nicely around 8 to 9 hours. The projection is also amazing. 2 to 3 hours, people around you will feel that yes, you're smelling good, and you yourself will also feel like yeah, I am smelling good for nice even 2 to 3 hours. Okay, people around you will notice that. Anyone can wear this, old, young, boys, girls, women, men, anyone can wear this. This is a very joyful, a very playful and a very nice fragrance like I already said. This is a very good summer fragrance perfume. A summer fragrance means like a good option for summer season. But honestly, I enjoy this the whole year. Whenever I feel like applying, I apply this. But for summers, this is an excellent option. Talking about the price keeps changing. You can see the website, and it is also available on different platforms. But now I also came across on the website itself that there is a 7 ml pack available for trial. Like if you all want to try before buying the bigger bottle, you all can purchase that. It is for around 500 or 600 rupees. I am not exactly sure, but it is worth. Like 7 ml for that amount is worth. And even if you're going to buy the bigger bottle, each and every money is worth. So this is what I feel. I am not promoting or giving any like nothing like that. This is my personal review, as this is my own personal bottle. Okay, so this is what exactly is my personal review about the perfume. It is a very clean, nice and a very good fragrance. You all can wear it to your office, to the function, to a marriage. Even the bridegroom can apply this. There is no problem. You can apply this anytime, day, night, anytime. Now this is a unisex perfume. It doesn't mean that if a man will apply, he will feel girly, or if a woman applies, a girl applies, she will feel manly. Nothing like that. You will love it. Whoever is wearing it, that person is going to love this fragrance. Now, the most important part, I am not promoting this perfume. I get those comments, okay? I get those comments like a good paid promotion, how much money did you get for this, how much. I get DMs, I get messages, I get comments with those stupid smileys, good paid promotion. Let me make that clear to all those who feel that this is a promotion. This is no promotion. I am not being paid for anything. I own these bottles. Okay, that promotion money is not going to be of any use for me. It is not going to help me buy even one bottle. Okay, so let me make it clear, this is not a promotion, this is my own personal review to you all. Okay, now that's all about Armaf Club de Nuit Sillage. I hope you all liked the review, and this is my honest personal review. So see that you like, share and subscribe. Those who are watching me for the first time, please do consider sharing and liking and subscribing. And those who've already done, thank you so much. I've crossed my 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Keep up the support, and I would also like to thank those who support me in the comments. Y'all are so good. I really admire a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are big love to y'all. Take care of yourself and bye.